Good afternoon. See, I'm starting the session. Listen. So in the previous session, very clearly we discussed about what is percentage type, what is percentage row type. These data types we discussed. So what is the purpose of percentage type? To declare a variable with table columns data type. To declare a variable with table columns data type, we use percentage type. For example, v_employee number, emp.employee number percentage type means this variable will be declared as emp tables employee numbers data type and field size. So for this variable, it takes emp tables employee number data type and field size. Okay. Why we are using this percentage row type? This variable holds entire row of the table. So our emp percentage row type means emp tables entire row can be held by R. So to hold entire row, use percentage row type. To declare a variable with table columns data type, use percentage type. So these things we discussed. So this is about PLSQL basics. So how to use a select command, insert command, delete, update, all these things you know. Now see the next chapter in the PLSQL is control structures. So in the control structures itself, I cover how to work with multiple tables. See here. So topic name is control structures. See, for example, I'm writing a simple program here. See, observe. Mr. Piyush, when I explained first program, very clearly I explained and very clearly I typed in the notes. Please refer the notes. Otherwise, now I'm explaining some programs. Today I explain number of programs, minimum 10 programs I explain. Observe all programs. So whatever I'm typing in the edit plus or in the OneNote, okay, that you type in the notepad. Please don't ask every time. Don't post for many times. See, whatever I'm explaining, just observe here. See here. There are two types of statements. One is sequential statements, another one is control statements. For example, I am writing a program like this. Begin, end. So dbms underscore output dot put underscore line. Hello, I am typing. So dbms underscore output dot put underscore line. Hi, I am typing. dbms underscore output dot put underscore line. Welcome, I am typing. Now, what is the output of this program? It prints hello, hi, welcome. So it prints hello, then hi, then welcome. So like this it prints. So here, this program is getting executed sequentially. After executing first statement, it is executing next statement. After executing this next statement, it is executing another statement. So like this, sequentially, it is executing the statements here. That's why we are getting output as hello, hi, welcome. So here these statements are called sequential statements. So these statements we are calling as the sequential statements. So there are two types of statements. One is sequential statements, another one is control statements. Sequential statements get executed sequentially. After executing one statement, it executes another statement. So in this example, here these three statements are the sequential statements. Now, same program, I'm writing little bit different. Observe here. See, the same program, little bit I'm changing. This is the program. So the same program, little bit I'm changing now. Observe, I'm declaring one variable x. So x value I'm giving as 5. If x greater than 5, then dbms underscore output dot put underscore line hello. If x is less than 5, then print dbms underscore output dot put underscore line hi. If x equals to 5, then okay, if x equals to 5, then x equals to 5, then print welcome. So like this, we are writing the program. Okay. So this is the program. So now, what is the output of this right side program here? What is the output of right side program? Okay, only it prints welcome here. Is it printing hello or hi here? No. But whereas in the left side program, what it is printing? Hello, hi, welcome. The same three statements we are writing here. But we are writing inside of the if. So if this if is not there, what it prints? Hello, hi, welcome. Because of this if control structure here, it is printing only welcome. So these statements are called control statements. Here these statements are called control statements. So control statements gets executed based on the condition. Control statements gets executed based on the condition. So based on the condition, they will be executed. Okay, observe. See. So here, this left side program is printing just a minute. This left side program is printing hello. After that it is printing hi. Then after that it is printing welcome. Hello, hi, welcome is the output. Whereas this right side program, what it is printing, observe here. So for x, some memory will be allocated here. What is the x value? 5. Is 5 greater than 5? Is this condition true? False. So if condition true, that prints hello. But condition false means it comes out of the if. So after that, next condition is there. Is 5 less than 5? False. If this condition is true, that prints hi. Because of condition is false, it is going to here. So it checks another condition, 5 equals to 5. Is this condition true? Yes. So what it prints now? Welcome. So if condition is true, it is printing this one. If condition is false, it is coming out of this one. If condition is true, it is printing this one. If condition is false, it is coming out of if. If condition true, it is printing welcome. If condition is false, it is coming out of if. Like this. Based on the condition, it is executing the statement. If condition true, it executes the statement. If condition false, it will not execute the statement. Based on the condition, it is executing the statement here. Okay, so these statements here, this DBMS underscore output dot put underscore line hello, hi, welcome. These statements we are calling as the control statements. Okay, because we are writing them in the control structure if. If is the control structure here. So if is the control structure, inside of control structure, we are writing control statements. So we are calling these statements as control statements because they get executed based on condition. So that's why we are calling them as the control statements. Whereas sequential statements, they get executed sequentially. Control statements, if condition true, that executes. If condition false, it will not execute. So based on the condition, they will get executed. So here, if is called control structure, this is DBMS underscore output dot put underscore line hello, hi, welcome. These are called control statements. So what is the purpose of this if control structure here? So what it is doing, it is controlling the flow of execution here. So if condition is true, which action that has to do? If condition is false, where execution should go, that will be controlled by this control structure. So it is controlling the flow of execution. Control structure controls the flow of execution of statements. Then what is the purpose of this control structure? This control structure changes sequential execution. To change this sequential execution, we are using this control structure if. So like if many control structures are there. For example, I'm taking if here. So the output of left side program is hello, hi, welcome. Output of right side program is welcome. So here based on the conditions, it is executing the statements. Okay. So left side program is printing hello. After that, it is printing hi. After that, welcome. Right side program, condition false here. 5 greater than 5 false. 5 less than 5 false. Okay. 5 equals to 5 true. So it is printing welcome only. It is not printing hello, hi. If condition true, it executes the statement. If condition false, it will not execute the statement here. So here, if is the control structure, these statements we are calling as the control statements. So control statements gets executed based on the condition. So this control structure controls the flow of execution of statements. So topic name is control structures. This control structure controls the control structure. Control structures are used to control the flow of execution of statements. So to control the flow of execution of statements, we are using control structures. So normally, PLSQL program gets executed sequentially. To change sequential execution, we use control structures. To change the sequential execution, we use control structures. So sequential execution will be changed here based on the condition. Statements get executed here. So to change the sequential execution, we use control structures. So what are the advantages we get with this control structure concept? The first advantage is it changes sequential execution. So program will not be executed sequentially. Control structure changes sequential execution. So program will not be executed sequentially. It gets executed based on the conditions. And program execution will be under the control of developer. Program execution will be under the control of developer. Okay, which statement has to be executed, which statement should not be executed, that is in programmer's hand by using this control structure. So programmer has control on the program by using this control structure, and it changes the sequential execution. These advantages we are getting. Okay. So Oracle PLSQL provides following control structures. So it provides control structures like this. So we can categorize these control structures as 3 categories. Those are, first one is conditional control structures. Okay, and second one is looping control structures, and third one is jumping control structures. So these are the 3 categories of control structures. So what are the conditional control structures are available here? See, if then is one control structure. Okay, in the C or Java you are using if control structure. Like that, here we are using if then. There if else is there, here we are using if then else. Okay, then there you are using if else if. In C or Java you are using if else if. Like that, here we have if then else if. Else if means we have to write ELS IF. Don't write E here and don't write space here. Okay, ELS IF. After ELS, don't write E and don't give space here. This is complete one word, ELS IF. It is not spelling mistake. We have to write ELS IF only. Okay, next if. So like this, here also in SQL case expressions are there. Like that, here also you can use case control structure. So these are the conditional control structures provided by the PLSQL. Next, looping control structures are like simple loop. Okay, for loop and while loop. Simple loop, for loop and while loop. So these are the 3 looping control structures. And jumping control structures are exit. Just like in the C or Java you are using break. Like break here, exit or exit when is there. Okay, exit when. And here also goto is available like in the C language. So Java has no goto control structure, but our PLSQL is having goto. Okay, next continue. So these are the jumping control structures. These control structures syntaxes we should know, and for every control structure I explain 1 or 2 examples. So these are the control structures provided by the PLSQL. So control structure is used to control the flow of execution of statements. So which statement has to be executed, that will be decided by using this control structure. So generally program gets executed sequentially. To change this sequential execution, we are using these control structures. It changes sequential execution, and program execution will be under the control of developer. So we are the developers, program execution will be under our control. So PLSQL is providing control structures to us. We can categorize them into 3 categories. Those are conditional control structures, looping control structures, jumping control structures. Conditional control structures are if then else, if, nested if, case. Looping control structures are simple loop, for loop, while loop. Jumping control structures are exit when, go to, continue. Okay, so now first we are discussing about conditional control structures. So conditional control structures. Conditional control structures. Okay, so these conditional control structures gets executed. So conditional control structures get executed based on condition. So these conditional control structures get executed based on condition. Conditional control structures get executed based on condition. Okay, so PLSQL is providing following conditional control structures. So first one is if then. Second one is if then else. Third one is if then else if. Fourth one is nested if. And fifth one is case. So these are the 5 conditional control structures. Among those, first one is if then. So see about if then control structure. So for if then control structure, syntax is we write like this: if, then write condition here, then write then here write statements, and if. So this is the syntax we have to follow to use if then control structure. So to use if then control structure, this is the syntax we have to follow. Just like in C or Java, you are writing like this: if, in the parenthesis, you are writing the condition, starting point of if, ending point of if. In between that, we are writing the statements. So this is the syntax you are following in C or Java. Like that, in the PLSQL, we have to follow this syntax. In C or Java, using this parenthesis is mandatory. You must use this parenthesis after if. In that only you have to write the condition. But here, you have no need to use the parenthesis to specify the condition. Directly you can write. Or even if you are using parenthesis, no problem. But using parenthesis is not mandatory here. Whereas in C or Java, we must write these brackets. After if, we must write these brackets. In the brackets only, we have to specify the condition. We cannot specify the condition directly there. In our PLSQL, after if, you can write the condition directly. Even if you write parenthesis, no problem. Even if you don't write, no problem. So if condition, then, so if this condition is true, which statements you want to execute, those we have to write here. So see the execution process, what happens here? First, it checks the condition. If condition is true, it executes these statements. If condition is false, it comes out of the if. Very simple. First, it checks the condition. If this condition is true, it executes the statements. If condition is false, it comes out of the if, means it will not execute the statements. Condition true, statements get executed. Condition false, statements will not get executed in case of if then. Okay, so first it is checking the condition. If condition is true, it executes the statements. If this condition is false, it comes out of the if control structure. The statements in if then, The statements in if then get executed. The statements in the if then get executed when the condition is true. Okay. So the statements in if then get executed when the condition is true. So it will not execute the statements when the condition is false. It will not execute the statements when the condition is false. So if condition is true, it is executing the statements. If condition is false, it is not executing the statements. Okay. So when the condition is true, it is executing the statements in the if then. When the condition is false, it is not executing the statements. See one example. This is a program to check whether a person is eligible to cast the vote or not. So program to check whether a person is eligible to vote or not. This is our requirement. Okay. In our India, to cast the vote, what is the rule? Age must be 18 or greater than 18. Age must be 18 or 18 plus. Okay. So, observe here, we are writing the program now. To write this program, we are writing declare, begin, end. Observe Mr. Piyush Gate. I'm writing the program here. Just like whatever I'm typing here in the notepad, we write this one only. So declare, begin, end, slash. Okay, so declare, begin, end, slash. I am declaring one variable, age variable I am declaring. Age variable I am declaring as integer. So I want to read this age value. I want to read age value from the keyboard at runtime. So what we have write here, age colon equals to ampersand age. Now we have age value. That age is 18 or greater than 18, we want to check. So age is 18 or not, we want to check. So if age is greater than or equals to 18, this is the condition. We are following if syntax now. For the if control structure, what we write? If, then this is the condition. Age greater than or equals to 18 condition. Then if this condition true means we want to print eligible to vote. Okay, what we have to write here? DBMS underscore output dot put underscore line. Okay, so DBMS underscore output dot put underscore line eligible to vote. Eligible to vote. Okay, to close this if, what we are writing here? End if. So based on the condition, this statement will get executed. If age is 18 or greater than 18, it prints it. Otherwise, it will do nothing. If this condition true, I want to print eligible to vote. Otherwise, I don't want to do anything. So I'm writing like this. So this is the program. Observe here. I'm copying this. Okay. So in the edit plus, I'm taking new, others, SQL. Okay. So here we are typing the program. Or otherwise, if anyone is not having edit plus, no problem, don't bother. Open notepad here. In the notepad, type the program. Okay, save it. In the file menu, I'm selecting save option. Okay, so in the D drive, already we created our batch folder, Oracle 2 PM. In this folder, we are saving this with the name if demo. if demo, okay, dot SQL, if demo.sql, if demo.sql, then click on save button. That's it. Very, very simple. So in the D drive in the Oracle 2PM folder, we are saving it with the name if demo.sql. So program is saved. Okay. So now this program we want to compile and run here. So we have to set server output as on. Okay. And set verify as off. Set verify off. Okay. So to avoid old new, we set verify as off. Now I'm compiling, running that program in the D drive. Our batch folder is Oracle 2PM. Okay. So what is our file name? If demo.sql. Okay. Observe here what it is asking. Enter value for age. Now, for example, I am entering age value as 25. 25 means, is he eligible to vote or not? Yes, he is eligible to vote. So what it is printing, observe here, eligible to vote. For example, I am giving age value 15 here. 15 means he is not eligible to vote. So it is nothing it is printing. Okay, because we didn't write code for that. Okay, just if eligible, we are printing eligible. Otherwise, we are not printing anything. Okay. So, for example, I am giving 18. 18 means eligible. So that's why we are writing greater than or equals to. So 18 is equals to 18. So this is the program. What is happening? I am explaining the execution process. Listen. Just a minute. See here. So program execution. After starting program execution, what happens here? For age, some memory will be allocated here. And on output screen, it is printing enter value for age. Enter value for age. So now it is waiting for reading the age value. I am giving age value as 25. So now this 25 value will be stored in the age. Now age value is 25 now. Here it checks the condition. Age value is 25. Is 25 greater than 18 or not? It is checking. Is this condition true? Yes. 25 is greater than 18. Condition true. Condition true means it executes a statement in the if. So it is printing eligible to vote. For example, we are giving this age value as 15 here. Is 15 greater than 18? No. Is 15 equals to 18? No. So condition is false. So condition false means it comes out of the if. So nothing it will print. That's it. This is the execution process. So now this is general programming. But this PLSQL is not developed for general programming like this. PLSQL developed for database programming. So this is one general program. Now we are writing one database program now. Observe. Now our program is, this is the program to delete an employee record of given employee number. Okay, yesterday we have written this program. Delete command we used. So this is a program to delete an employee record of given employee number. But before going to delete, we want to check the experience. If experience is greater than 40, if experience is more than 40, then only delete. More than 40, okay, then only delete the record. Otherwise, don't delete the record. So this is the program to delete an employee record of given employee number. But here one condition is there. What is that condition? If experience is more than 40, then only delete it. Otherwise, don't delete. So this is the condition. So observe. I'm writing the program now. What we are writing? Declare begin, end. So declare begin, end. Now, first what we have to do, we have to read one employee number. So this given employee number, we want to delete. When experience is more than 40, then only we want to delete. Otherwise, we don't want to delete. So we have to read one employee number. So to hold the employee number, take one variable. Variable name is v underscore employee number. Okay, which data type? emp dot employee number percentage type. Okay, we should be habituated with this declaration. We should be habituated with this declaration. Okay, so emp dot employee number percentage type. So this value we want to read. V underscore employee number colon equals to ampersand employee number. Okay, we are reading employee number. Now what is our requirement here? Our requirement is we have to find the experience. If experience is more than 40, then only we want to delete the record. So we need to find the experience now. Is there any experience column in the EMP table? No, hire date is there. Okay, we have hire date. So with hire date, can we calculate the experience? Yes. So first we have to know the hire date. So hire date is in the table. So we have to retrieve the hire date value of given employee number. So this given employee numbers, hire date we have to find. Here we are giving employee number, this given employee numbers, hire date we have to find. So to find the hire date, what we are writing? Select. Hire date we want to retrieve. What we have to write? Select hire date into hire date value. We are holding in particular variable v underscore hire date. So declare this v underscore hire date variable here. This v underscore hire date variable I am declaring as date type. Okay. From which table we are retrieving? EMP table where employee number. Which implies the hire date we are retrieving? Given employee number. Given employee number is in v underscore employee number. So here we are giving one employee number. That employee number will be stored in v underscore employee number variable. That given employee number's hire date will be selected. That hire date will be copied into the v underscore hire date. Okay, so here, for example, I am giving employee number as 1005. So now v underscore employee number value is what now? 1005. This 1005 employees hire date will be retrieved. Okay, for example, assume that his hire date is 20 December 82. So this value will be stored into the v underscore hire date. So now what is v underscore hire date value? 20 December 82. Now we want to find the experience. Okay, so today's date minus hire date by 365. So now today's date means what we are writing? This date. Okay, hire date means what we are writing? V underscore hire date. Okay, hire date we are holding in v underscore hire date. So can we use hire date column here? No, we cannot use column directly. Because of that reason only we are holding that column value in the variable. So sys date minus hire date. So sys date minus hire date by 365. If we calculate this much only, it will give number of days. So number of years we want by 365. So I want to hold the experience value. So v underscore experience variable I am taking. In the v underscore experience variable, we are holding the experience value. So we need to declare this v underscore experience variable. So I am declaring v underscore experience variable here. Okay, as integer type I am taking. Okay. Now here we are calculating experience. So after calculating the experience, that implies experience we want to display. DBMS underscore output dot put underscore line. Okay, employee number I want to print. So employee number is in which variable? V underscore employee number. I want to print like this. Okay, 1005 implies experience is 1005 experience is that experience value. Okay, 39. Like this I want to print. This is my requirement. So this 1005 is which variable value? V underscore employee number value. Concatenate it with experience is. Okay, experience is concatenate. Experience is concatenate. Okay, next this 39 is the experience value. Experience value is in which variable? Experience is in which variable? Here we are calculating experience. Experience we are holding in which variable? V underscore exp. So V underscore exp we are printing. That's it. Okay. Now what is our requirement? If this experience is greater than 40, then only we want to delete. If 40 we don't want to delete. If greater than 40 we want to delete. Okay. So if experience value we are holding in which variable? V underscore exp. This value is greater than 40 or not, we are checking. If greater than 40, then okay, write the delete command here. Delete. Okay, from which table? EMP table. Which employees record we want to delete? Where employee number equals to V underscore employee number. So this given employee number record will be deleted if experience is more than 40. So to close this if, what we are writing here? And if. Okay. Now to save this transaction, what we are writing here? Commit. Commit means transaction will be saved. So for our understanding purpose, we are displaying one message. So DBMS underscore output dot put underscore line. Okay, record deleted. Record deleted message we are displaying. So if experience is more than 40, we are deleting. Otherwise, we are not deleting. So this is the program. Okay, I'm taking new SQL file here. Okay, so this is the program. I'm saving it with the name. Okay, if demo1 dot SQL. So if demo1 dot SQL. I want to compile this program. So what we are writing here? At the rate d:/oracle 2pm/ okay, file name is if demo1 dot SQL. Okay, observe here. So before going to compile and run this program, let me display the experiences of different employees. Employee number, employee name, and his experience we want. To calculate experience, what we are writing here? Sysdate minus hire date. Sysdate minus hire date by 365. From which table we are retrieving? EMP table. So all employees experience we are finding. So now observe here. For example, 1000. See, here we are declaring experience variable value as integer. Means implicitly it takes rounded value. If float value is getting, it takes rounded value. So if 0.5 or above 0.5, it takes upper value as the experience. If less than 0.5, that takes lower value as the experience. For example, 41.2 means, okay, it takes that as the 41. Okay, for example, here 40.7 is there. It takes experience as the 41 above value. Okay, because of more than 0.5, it is taking upper value. Here less than 0.5, it is taking lower value. Okay, here 39.5 is there. It takes that as the 40. Okay, here 39.4 is there. It takes this as the 39 only, like this. Rounded values it take because we are declaring their int. So int means that takes rounded value. Okay, so if experience is more than 40, that record will be displayed. For example, if we take 1011 here, for 1011 employee, just 39 years experience is there. Okay, for 1013, 41 years experience is there. Okay, now see, I'm running this program now. Observe, I'm compiling and running the program. At the rate, give the path here. Oracle D drive, Oracle 2 PM. File name is ifdemo1.sql. So at the rate in the D drive in the Oracle 2 PM folder, we are saving this ifdemo1.sql. So enter value for employee number. I am giving employee number as 1011. For 1011, what is the experience? 39. For 1011, what is the experience? 39 is the experience. So 1011 I am giving. So what is the experience it is giving? 39. Is it deleting this record? No. Record is not deleted. Just it is displaying experience only. Okay. Now, one more time we are running. Enter employee number. For example, I am giving employee number as 1006. Okay, 1006 is having 41 years experience. So 1006 I am giving. Okay, so it is displaying experience as 41. Is it deleting the record or not? Yes. So here more than 40 years experience is there. Record is deleted. Here experience is 39. Record is not deleted. Just it is displaying experience. Okay, for example, if you take 1014, 40.4 means it takes rounded value 40 only. So this record will not be deleted. 1014 will not be deleted. So if you want accurate value, you can take float there. We have taken int there. So 1014 I am giving. For 1014, what is the experience it is giving? 40. It is not deleting. So rounded value we are taking here. For example, we are taking this 40.5. 1013. 40.5 means 41 it takes. So 1013 record will be deleted now. 1013 record will be deleted. Okay, observe here. 1013 has 41 years experience. 40.5 is there, but it is taking 41 here. Because above 0.5, rounded value. Okay. So record is deleted. It is taking rounded value here. So if experience is more than 40, it is deleting the record. Otherwise, just it is displaying experience only. Okay, here experience is 40, just displaying experience is 40. Here experience is more than 40, record is deleted. So based on the condition, we are performing the action here. If experience is more than 40, we are deleting. Otherwise, we are not deleting. So this is the way of using control structures to perform database operations. So see the execution process. What is happening here? Okay. So for example, 1013 is having 41 years experience. 1014 is having 40 years experience. 1013 is having 41 years experience. Okay. Observe. See the execution process. What is happening here? So program execution. After starting program execution, for v underscore employee number, some memory will be allocated here. For v underscore hire date, some memory will be allocated here. Okay, for v underscore experience, some memory will be allocated here. So because of this parameter, on output screen, what it will print? Enter value for employee number. I am giving employee number as 1013. Okay, so 1013 employee number we are giving. Now employee number is 1013. So v underscore employee number value is 1013. So his hire date will be selected. V underscore employee number value is 1013. His hire date will be selected. That hire date will be copied into the V underscore hire date. Okay. Next here we are calculating the experience. Okay. For example, assume that this person experience is 41. So 41 we got. According to the hire date, it gives the experience. So on output screen, what it is printing? Employee number 1013. Employee number that implies experience is. Experience is. It is printing 41. So is it greater than 40 or not? It is checking the condition here. What is V underscore experience value here? 41. Is 41 greater than 40? Yes, condition true. 41 greater than 40, condition true. So condition true means this record will be deleted from the table. So inside of table, this 1013 record will be deleted. After that, data will be saved. On output screen, what it is printing? Record deleted. That's it. Okay. So here experience is more than 40, so it is deleting the record. For example, okay, for V underscore employee number, some memory allocated here. For V underscore hire date, some memory allocated here. For V underscore experience, some memory allocated here. We are giving employee number as 1014. So employee number is 1014. So 1014's hire date will be retrieved and copied into the V underscore hire date. Here it calculates the experience. For example, assume that experience is 40 here. Okay. So on output screen, what it prints? V underscore employee number value 1004. Experience is 40. It prints. After that, it checks the condition. This condition will be tested. What is V underscore experience value? 40. Is 40 greater than 40? No. Condition false. It comes out of the if. So it is not deleting the record. So here, if experience is more than 40, it is deleting the record. Otherwise, it is not deleting the record. So please confirm, did you understand this program? Nothing new is there. Everything you know. Just we are using if control structure extra here. How to calculate experience, you know. How to retrieve data from database, you know. Just we are checking this condition. Based on the condition, we are deleting the record. So this is the way of using if then control structure. Next control structure is if then else. Okay. So what is the syntax of if then else here? Syntax is if condition then here we are writing the statements. Okay. After this, what we are writing? Else statements we are writing. Then write end if. So this is the syntax we have to follow to use the if then else control structure. This is the syntax. So see the execution process, what happens here? First condition will be tested. If this condition is true, it executes the statements. After that comes out of the if then else. Okay, once again I'm repeating. First condition will be tested. If condition is true, it executes the statements in the if then and comes out of the if then else. If condition is false, directly it goes to the else and else statements will be executed. So if condition is true, if then statements will be executed. If condition is false, else statements will be executed. That's it. So to perform any one of the two tasks, we are using this if then else. If condition true, that performs this task. If condition false, that performs this task. So to perform any one of two tasks based on condition, we use this if then else. To perform one task based on condition, we use if then. So here, if this condition is true, what it has to do, we are telling. That's it. If condition is false, what it has to do, we are not telling. If this condition is true, what it has to do, we are telling. If this condition is false, what it has to do, we are not telling here. But whereas in if then else, we are telling two things here. If this condition is true, do this action. If condition is false, do this action. Like this, two actions we are telling. So if condition true, do this. If condition false, do this. Okay. Whereas in case of if then, there, okay, if condition is true, what it has to do, we are telling. That's it. If condition is false, what that has to do, we are not telling here. If we want to tell that one also, we have to use else. So first condition will be tested. If this condition is true, this if then statements will be executed. If this condition is false, directly it goes to else and these else statements will be executed. So when the condition is true, okay, statements in if then will be executed. Okay, when the condition is false, so when the condition is false, statements in else will be executed. That's it. If condition true, if then statements will be executed. If condition false, else statements will be executed. To demonstrate this, I'm writing one program here. This is the program to check whether the given number is even or odd. So this is the program to check whether the given number is even or odd. Okay. So observe here. Declare, begin, end. See. So in C or Java, to find the remainder value, so what are the even numbers? 2, 4, 6, 8, etc. Okay. 10, 12, 14, etc. These are the even numbers. You take any even number. When you divide with the 2, which remainder you will get? Definitely we get remainder as 0. Okay. For example, 8 we are dividing with 2. 2, 4, 8. Remainder is 0. I'm taking 16. 16 is the even number. 16 is the even number. Okay. I'm dividing with 2. 2, 8 is 16. Remainder is 0. Okay. Odd numbers. What are the examples of odd numbers? Like 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, etc. So these are the odd numbers. You take any odd number. When you divide with 2, definitely you will get remainder as 1. Okay. So if we are getting remainder as 0 means that is even number. Remainder 1 means odd number. Okay. For example, we are dividing 14 with 2. 2 7 is 14. What is the remainder? 0. Is 14 even or odd? Even. For example, I am taking 17 here. Okay, 2 8 is 16. Remainder is what? 1. So remainder 1 means what is that one? Odd. Okay, so remainder 0 means even. Remainder 1 means odd. So like that, you can take any even number, you will get remainder definitely 0. You take any odd number, you definitely will get remainder as 1. Okay, so to find the remainder value in C or Java, modulus operator is there. Modulus operator is there. Okay, but here there is no modulus operator is there. We have one built-in function is there. What is that one? Mod. Read n value from keyboard. So I'm declaring one variable n. N I am declaring as the integer. Read n value from the keyboard. So to read n value from keyboard, what we are writing? N colon equals to ampersand n. So this n we want to divide with 2. Mod of n comma 2 means this function returns remainder value. Here it returns remainder value. We have remainder value. This remainder value equals to 0 or not, where we want to check. So if this mod of n comma 2 value equals to 0, then that has to print, is it even or odd? Remainder 0 means is it even or odd? Even. So that has to print dbms underscore output dot put underscore line even. Even. Okay, to close this, if we are writing end if. Okay, so else part I'm writing here, else dbms underscore output dot put underscore line odd. So this is the program to check whether the given number is even or odd. So what is happening here? Observe. See the execution process. With this line, for n some memory will be allocated. Here, because of this parameter on output screen, it is printing enter value for n. Now screen is waiting to read n value. I am giving this n value as 16. N value is 16 I am giving. So here mod function will be called. So mod of 16 comma 2 means 16 we are dividing with 2. 2 8 is 16, remainder is 0. So mod function returns remainder value. This mod function value is what now? 0. This mod function value is 0 because n value is 16 here. Is 0 equals to 0? Condition true? Is this condition true? Yes. Condition true means what it prints now? Even. After that it comes out of the if then else. Okay. So n value, for example, I am giving 8 here. So 8 we are dividing with 2. Okay, 2 4 is 8, remainder 0. Mod of 8 comma 2 value is what now? 0. Is 0 equals to 0? Condition true? Yes. So what it prints here? Even. 8 is the even number. For example, n value I am giving as 7 here. So 7 comma 2. Mod 7 comma 2 value is what? 1. So 7 we are dividing with 2. 2 3 is 6, remainder 1. So 1 equals to 0. Is this condition true? False. Condition false means it executes else block statement. What it prints? Odd. This is the execution process. So mod function returns the remainder value. So I am copying this. Observe here. I am taking new SQL file. I am saving it with the name if then else demo, or simply I am writing if else demo. If else demo.sql. If else demo.sql. Okay, observe. We are compiling and running the program now. At the rate d:/ Oracle 2 pm / okay, if else demo. If else demo.sql. It is asking n value. So n value I am giving as 18. 18 is the even number. See here what it is printing? Even. Okay, one more time I'm running the same program. I'm giving 17 here. 17 is the odd number. So odd it is printing. So that's it. This is the way of using if then else. Okay, now my program is one more program, last program for today's session. So within 5 minutes I close the session. Listen, very simple program. So this is the program to increase salary of, so program to increase salary of given employee number. Okay, as following. So, but here some conditions are there for increasing the salary. Okay, some conditions are there. Just now we have written, we calculated experience. If experience is more than 40, if experience is 40 or more, increase 10% salary. If experience is 40 or more than 40, increase 10% salary. Okay, otherwise, okay, otherwise means if experience is less than 40, otherwise increase 20% salary. 20% on his salary. This is our requirement. So you already know how to calculate the experience. The previous program we calculated. Same condition. So if experience is 40 or greater than 40, increase 10%. Otherwise increase 20%. So to increase the salary, to modify the salary, which command we have to use? So if experience is 40 or more than 40, we want to increase 10% salary. If experience is less than 40, increase 20% salary. To increase the salary, to modify the salary, which command we have to use? Update command. So update command we have to use here. I'm writing the program now. Observe. See, declare, begin, end. So first we need to read the employee number. So to read the employee number, what we are writing? B underscore employee number colon equals to ampersand employee number. Declare it. V underscore employee number variable we are declaring here. So which type? emp dot employee number percentage type. Okay. So this employee's experience we have to calculate. To calculate experience, which value is required? Hire date value is required. So retrieve hire date value, hold in one variable. What we have to write? Select hire date into V underscore hire date from emp where employee number equals to V underscore employee number. So we are retrieving hire date value and we are holding in which variable? V underscore hire date variable. Now we need to calculate the experience. What we have to write? Sysdate minus V underscore hire date. Okay, by 365. So sysdate minus V underscore hire date by 365. Okay, I am holding this value in the V underscore experience. So just the same as previous program only. So V underscore experience colon equals to. So declare these variables. Declare V underscore hire date here. V underscore hire date is date type. Next V underscore experience is integer type I am declaring. Integer means it takes rounded value. Okay. So what we have to check here, if experience is 40 or greater than 40, increase 10% salary. Otherwise, increase 20% salary. What we have to write? V underscore experience greater than or equals to 40. Then update. In which table we want to update? emp set salary equals to salary plus 10% we want to increase. What we have to write? Salary into 0.1. Okay, so salary into 0.1 or you can write 10 by 100. Okay. So to which employee we want to update? Where employee number equals to V underscore employee number. So to the given employee number, if he has 40 or more than 40 years experience, we are increasing 10% salary. Else, otherwise, okay, otherwise, how much percentage we want to increase? 20%. So update EMP set salary equals to salary plus salary into 20 by 100, where employee number equals to V underscore employee number and if. But observe here, how many times we are writing update command here? 2 times we are writing. Instead of writing for 2 times, what I am doing is, just if this condition is true, so this update command I am writing in the end. If this condition is true, I want to capture 10% in the V underscore PR variable. So I'm taking one variable V underscore PR means percentage. So if experience is 40 or greater than 40, how much percentage we want to increase? 10%. The 10 we are holding in V underscore PR. Otherwise, how much percentage we want to increase? 20%. So I'm taking one variable V underscore PR. V underscore PR value is what? 20%. If we hold like this, the advantage here is we are writing update query only once. Okay. Otherwise, you need to write update query for 2 times. So instead of writing update query for 2 times, just we are capturing the percentage. That percentage value we have to specify here. So salary plus salary into V underscore percentage. Here V underscore percentage value we are capturing. That value that percentage we are calculating here. So we need to declare that percentage variable. So I'm declaring V underscore PR variable percentage. I'm declaring as integer. Okay. So this is the program. Finally, record will be updated. So after updating, I want to save this one. To save this, we are writing commit. Commit we are writing. Okay. So for user understanding purpose, we are displaying the message like this. DBMS underscore output dot put underscore line. So how much percentage increase we want to tell that one? So V underscore PR has percentage value. So this much percentage, okay, on his salary increased. So V underscore percentage, okay, this much 10% salary increased. 20% salary increased. Like that we want to display. So we are writing like this. Okay, so this is the program for demonstrating if then else. I'm copying this. Observe here. I'm taking new SQL file here. Okay, observe. So this is the program. What we are doing here, observe, we are reading employee number. That given employee's hire date, we are holding in the V underscore hire date. Next, we are calculating his experience. If experience is 40 or greater than 40, percentage value will be 10. So if experience is less than 40, percentage value will be 20. So that much percentage will be increased here based on the experience. Okay, so next data will be committed. On output screen, it displays message. How much percentage increased it will tell. Okay, so now observe here. For our understanding purpose, I want to display the experience also. So to display the experience, I'm adding one more statement here. DBMS underscore output dot put underscore line. Okay, experience is, okay, that number of years we want to print V underscore exp years. Okay, so if you want to print years, you can write years. So this many years experience he has. Okay. So now I'm compiling and running this program. Observe. Program is over. See. I'm saving this program with the name if then or if else demo 1, if else demo 1.sql, if else demo 1.sql. So see, for our understanding purpose, I am retrieving data here. I'm calculating the experiences. Sys date minus hire date by 365. Okay, from EMP. So these are the experiences. 1011 is having 39 years experience. 1014 is having 40 years experience. Okay. So now let me compile and run the program. @d:/oracle 2pm/ if else demo 1.sql. What it is asking? Employee number. I am giving employee number 1011. 1011 has 39 years experience. 1011 has 39 years experience. So how much percentage increased here? 20%. So 20% increased. So he has less than 40 years experience, 20% increased. One more time we are running the same program. I am giving employee number as 1014. He has 40 years experience. So 1014 has 40 years experience. 40 years experience means 10% will be increased. Observe here 40 years experience. So how much percentage it is increasing? 10%. So if experience is 40 or greater than 40, it increases 10%. One more time I am running. So for example, this employee is having 1003, employee is having 41 years experience. So 1003 employee is having 41 years experience. Okay, so 10% increase. So if experience is more than 40 or 40, 10% it is increasing. If experience is less than 40, it is increasing 20%. Okay, so what is happening here? Observe. I'm explaining the execution process. So after this, I stop the session. See. For v_employee number, some memory will be allocated here. For v_hire date, some memory will be allocated. Next, for v_experience, some memory will be allocated. And for v_PR, some memory will be allocated. I am giving employee number as 1011. Okay, so employee number is 1011 now. This 1011 employees hire date will be selected, and that will be copied into the v_hire date. We will get some hire date value. Okay, according to that hire date, here it calculates the experience. Assume that this experience value is 39. So on output screen, it prints experience is 39 years. Okay, here it checks the condition. This condition will be tested. Is 39 greater than 40? No. False. Is 39 equals to 40? No. False. So when condition is false, where it will go? Else part. Now v_PR value will become 20. Here this update command will be executed now. So here what is v_PR value now? 20. So salary value, 20% salary will be increased. To whom? To the given employee number 1011. Okay, data will be committed and displays message as okay 20% increased. That's it. Okay, for example, if the employee is having 41 years experience, 41 greater than 40, condition true, v_PR value will become 10. So how much percentage will be increased now? 10%. So like this it will get executed. So based on the experience, if experience is 40 or greater than 40, we want to increase 10%. Otherwise, we want to increase 20%. Okay, so that percentage value we are capturing, and that much percentage, that captured percentage, we are increasing here. So this is example on if then else. So I'm stopping the session here. In the next session, I cover these remaining control structures, like if then else if, nested if case, these remaining control structures I cover in the next session. Okay, thank you everyone. See you tomorrow.